So ito lumabas mismo to nung batch ko guys. November, December 2024. Second batch. A wheel in a motor is turning. By the way, dapat given dito yung figure. Okay, lagay ko lang guys yung figure ah. Tali, ganito mismo yung lumabas no. So given yung figure, then ganito yung nilagay. Okay. So basahin natin. A wheel in a motor is turning counterclockwise. So take note ha, itong wheel daw na to, umiikot siya ng counterclockwise. And then, at a angular velocity of per second. Now, there is a small hole in the wheel, 3 centimeters from the center. So ito guys yung hole natin dito, which is at a distance 3 centimeter. Okay. From the center ng wheel. So, a model of the wheel is drawn on a rectangular coordinate system with the wheel centered at the origin. And then, if the hole has initial coordinates of 3, 0, so initially guys, yung hole down natin nandito ba, which is 3, 0. So what are its coordinate after t seconds? Which is this one guys, yung coordinate na to. Let's call this x, y. Okay, so to solve for that, focus na lang tayo dito guys sa right triangle na to. Wherein, tawagin na lang natin tong theta. So, kailangan natin ma-solve si x tsaka si y. Okay. So, si x, that is just equivalent sa, so given na guys yung hypotenuse. So, that is 3 cosine of theta. Si y naman is 3 sine of theta, no? Wherein yung theta natin, recall natin guys, from physics, that is, recall natin, that is angular velocity multiplied by time. So, parang ano siya, pagdating sa linear velocity, distance equals to velocity times time, no? Pagdating sa angular naman, ayan, so angular velocity times time. Given na dito guys yung angular velocity natin na 2 radian per second multiplied by t. So ito na guys yung magiging theta natin at t seconds. So pag sinubstitute niyan dito, that is 3 cosine of 2t and 3 sine of 2t. Ayan, so sagot natin dito, letter D. Actually guys, based on figure pa lang, meron na kayo agad makukuhang sagot. Tama ba? Kasi kung papansin niyo yung binigay dito na figure, so ganito rin mismo yung binigay na figure ng batch ko. So, wala to guys sa CRF, kayo pa lang nakakaalam nito. Kung papansin niyo nasa first quadrant siya, tama? Wherein dapat yung coordinates niya are both positive, yung x and y. And kung papansin niyo sa choices, so si letter A, X na agad kasi may negative. Si B naman, dalawang negative. So malamang sa malamang X. Si C naman, may negative din. So sagot nyo lang guys na natitira dyan is si D. Okay? So ganyan din yung ginawa kong approach nun. Inanalyze ko lang yung choices, hindi na ako nag-solve. So para makapag-save ng time. So kailangan nyo rin kasi talaga ng time management pagdating sa exam. Para meron kayong ano guys, matirang time para mag-double check.